In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Slack using a calendar app. This task is super useful for keeping your team organized and on the same page, and by the end of this video, you'll become a pro at setting up meetings directly from Slack. Let's dive right in. First, open Slack and navigate to the channel or direct message where you want your meeting to take place. This could be a team channel or even just a private conversation with a few colleagues. Making sure you're in the right spot is crucial, because this is where the meeting details will be shared and discussed. Next, we need to ensure that you have a calendar app installed and connected to your Slack workspace. Popular options include Google Calendar and Outlook Calendar. If you've already got one installed, fantastic. You're ahead of the game. If not, you'll want to take a quick moment to install and connect the app of your choice. This setup allows Slack to seamlessly integrate with your calendar, providing a convenient and efficient way to schedule meetings without needing to leave the app. Now, once the calendar app is ready to go, you'll want to use the Create Event shortcut in Slack. Usually you'll find this option under the plus icon in the message input area or directly within the calendar app's interface in Slack. This shortcut is your gateway to setting up and customizing your meeting. Now that you're in the event creation window, it's time to fill in all the necessary details to make sure your meeting is set up correctly. You'll start by giving your meeting a title or subject. Choose something descriptive yet concise that gives invitees a clear idea of what the meeting will be about. The next step is to set the date and time for your meeting. Make sure to pick a slot that works well for all intended attendees, taking into account different time zones if your colleagues are spread across the globe. After that, you'll need to invite attendees. This could be anyone in the Slack channel or specific individuals who need to be part of the conversation. Simply enter their names or email addresses in the invitation interface. It's really important to double-check who you're inviting to ensure everyone necessary is included. Finally, with all the details in place, you can send or share the event in the channel or direct message. Doing so not only delivers the invite directly to your colleagues' calendars, but also visibly posts the details in Slack so everyone is aware and can prepare. And there you have it. You've just scheduled a meeting in Slack. With practice, these steps will become second nature, helping you seamlessly coordinate meetings with your team. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.